Hey guys, it's Tech Racer, and today I'm going to see how you can fill up this US tax info form on the Google AdSense account. Now, if you are on YouTube community, then you might be aware of what's happening over there. So recently, there are some changes in US tax policies, so that's reflecting onto Google AdSense as well. So in simple terms, you have to simply fill up a tax form onto the Google AdSense account, the active Google AdSense account. So now there is a particular written article for filling up the form as well, but there are some fields which needs to be taken care while filling up this form. So that's why I thought of making this video. So let's see how you can fill up your US tax info form. So simply log into your Google AdSense account. So I have already done that. So once you have logged in, you will see a dashboard like this. So this is a standard dashboard of Google AdSense. So if you open this, you will see a top bar like this, as you can see. So you can simply click over here, manage tax info. You will also get a notification over here, so you can also navigate from right from here. So, and the third way is to directly go to your payments tab. So simply click on payments. Okay, so once you go to your payments, you will see a large red banner over here which states that you have to fill this form. So click on manage tax info from any one of these three methods. Now once you click on that add tax info, you will get to this page. Now simply follow all the steps correctly in order to get your UX tax form filled correctly without any mistakes. So now click on add tax info. It will prompt you to authenticate your account, so simply put in your password for reauthorization. Okay, so now we are into the start of the form. So in this thing, you have to simply answer a few questions and make sure you provide correct answers. Do not provide any false information. Now, what type of account your name will be here? So it's my individual account. So I will click on individual and then click on next. Are you a citizen or resident of United States? No. If you are, then click on yes. The form might be different in your case then. So click on no for other than US. Click on next. Now here we have to select the form. Now here it is completely specified by them that if you are a non-US individual, then you will fill this form, and if you are a business entity such that you have chosen a non-individual entity, in that case you have to fill this form. So mine is individual account, non-US, so I'll just use this W8BEN form. Okay, so now we are going to fill the form. So click on start the form. Okay, so name, it will be automatically filled up. So if you are having that business account, simply specify your business name. For individual, no need to do anything over here. Country or citizenship, simply specify your country over here. So I'll choose India over here. Then taxpayer identification number. So this is going to be the TIN number of the FT or the FTIN number. So in India, we have to specify our PAN number in this field. Do not need to specify anything is this in this US TIN. So simply specify your PAN number over here. So after filling your PAN number, simply click on next. Okay, after that you have to specify your address. Now make sure that you provide correct address or the same address that you have provided for the Google AdSense verification to prevent any future conflict. So simply provide the same address. Okay, so I have done filling up my address. Simply click on this one as well if your mailing address is same as permanent. So simply tick this option and click on next. Now here comes the main thing. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under tax treaty? So in this case, you have to specify yes, because India is on treaty with US regarding the tax. So you have to specify yes and then click on resident of country claiming treaty in US and just specify our country again. So just specify the country. Now here you have to specify the services that we are going to use, so on which the rebates will be claimed. So first of all, just take this services which the AdSense, which is our primary. Click on the article 7 paragraph 1 withholding rate 0% reduced rate. Make sure you follow these things correctly, then click on this check mark. Scroll up, click on motion pictures TV, again select whatever which is available or the article 12. Then upholding rate 15% and reduce rate, make sure you put a check mark over here. Again click on it, article withholding rate 15% and make sure you put a check mark over here. Simply go through these settings or options again to be sure of your inputs as well. So just once you follow all these steps, simply scroll down, click on next. Okay, now here our form will be visible over here, as you can see. So this is our form which is filled up. You can just take a look at your form right from here as well. So simply click on this and it will navigate you to the actual form which has been filled out. After that, simply put a check mark over here so that you confirm that you have provided correct information. You can take a look at these things as well. You can confirm and check it from here as well. So once you do that, simply scroll down, click on next. Just simply scroll down and provide your full legal name. Now provide your name over here as an authorized signature. Just simply specify the name which you see on your PAN card. Do not make any spelling mistakes over here as well. And then, are you person listed in the signature section? Yes. So simply click on this yes and then click on next. Has individual perform activity services for Google within US? So we have to click on no. Then again check this box. You can just read out these things as well, but you have to click on no, then check put a check mark over here. Then, are you providing tax info for new existing profiles? So yeah, now here it depends upon the type of account you have. So if you have a new account and you haven't received any payments yet, so you will choose this first option. But if you have received even one payment from AdSense before filling this form, then you have to select this one, that your payment profile that has previously received payments, and just simply put a check mark over here as well. And under changes, do not specify anything. Now simply click on submit and you are done filling up this form. So I'll click on submit now. Okay, so as you can see over here, you can see status approved and it's submitted by me. And as you can see over here, 15, 15 and 0%, and it has, the claim has been done. So now you won't be having any 24% deduction as a tax on your payments, but whichever are the views from which are coming from US will have a 15% tax reduction in each transaction. So if you have views from United States, then you have to pay 15% as a tax policy. So that's only the things that are gonna happen right now, and everything will else is settled right now. So once you do that, the status is approved, you are done with it. So yeah guys, this is how you can fill up this US tax info form. It's quite easy, but you have to be very specific with your information before proceeding with the form to prevent any mistakes. So guys, this is pretty much it for this video guys. If you found this video really helpful, then do that like button, subscribe button, and stay tuned for more such videos. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.